Hi everyone! Today I'm going to tell you how to make a lucky draw spin, or you are a teacher or anyone. So we can easily take, like, there are many students in your class. Like, you have to take, there are three groups in your class of 12 students. So you can make a spinning wheel like this. And when we will, you have to give chances to students, so you can simply spin the wheel like this. And if you want to stop it, so you can simply stop it from here. Like, it has come 11 numbers, so we will give a chance to Udhav. So we will make this type of wheel today. So let us begin. First, we have to insert a PowerPoint blank document. I've inserted. Now we have to insert. We have to go to Insert tab and simply insert a chart. That is a pie chart, not a line line chart. Only a pie chart, and simple pie chart, not like this. We want this one. Okay. Then please don't close this one because this is the main process here. We will insert it, and there are 12 columns. You can do more than 12. First we will write here 1, and we will drag it to 13 without pressing control. In the full line now it is 13. Now we will add one more tab, labels, here. Then we will press enter 1, and now we will press control key. Control key. Control key, and we will drag it till here. 1 2 3, 1 to 12 has came. So now we can simply close it. Now we have to select this, right click on it, add data labels. Now you will see everywhere it is 1. So we have to again right click, format data label. Like, it will come, it will default select value. We don't have to select value. We will remove it, and value from cells, we will click on value from cells. Now it will come, so we will press shift key, and we will go down till where our values is. Our values are till 12, so we will press on OK. So it have come. Now we will simply close it. Now we will delete the sales one, the first quarter, etc. things. Now we have to make the text big of this number. We will go to home tab, and we have to first take it to the down. Now this is the TW send empty contest. I don't know which text it is, but it is extra bold text, but we have to do more bold. And we have to do size nearby 44 or 42. Yes guys, 48. 48 will be the best. Now we will not select this. We will not click on the circle. We will click on this. After leaving some gap from the circle, we will click here. Then we will right click, cut it. Then we will do right click and paste it like this. Picture paste. Now we will crop it. Format, not like this. We will go crop to shape, oval, expector ratio itna. Expector ratio this much. Now we will press curl shift, or first we will press shift, then curl, then we will do it like this till where it is all fine. Yes guys, now it's all fine. So our circle is ready. Now we have to insert a line which will show the lucky draw. Insert, not a line, insert a shape. We will go to block arrows and insert a arrow pentagon like this. Now we will first make it like this. Then it is a little bit of long process, but it is very easy. And we will do it a little bit small. Shape fill, we will do simply red. Shape outline, no outline. And shape effects, preset, this one. We can do it a little bit long, so it will be looking much nice. This much we have done till here. Now simply we will write the first. We will add a animation here. Animations. We will do like this and add spin one. So it is spinning. Now we will do the duration to 0.50 seconds, and now we will go to animation pane. Right click on it 2 times, and then we will go to effect options, timing, duration. Not we have to not touch duration. We will go to repeat until next click. Okay, now we will click on OK. Now it will go till our next click like this. Now we have to insert one more animation, add animation, appear. Now we have to do nothing here. We will do something after some time. So now we have to go to insert tab. First we will write the names. So I will just write, copy the names. You can write any name that you want. Now we will paste it. Oh, the size is very small. We can do the size big till 36. Oh, that is too big. Now that is fine, I think. Yes, guys, now our lucky draw is ready. And if the best text for looking is that we can take Lucida handwriting. It is the best text which is looking. It is very good at looking. So first, here the mistakes will be coming. I know, because names are like that only. Some names you understand. So now we will do it, and now we have done with the all our work. Now just we have to do one thing: insert shapes, and a circle we will insert here, and we have to set it in the center, and we have to do the size to 5.05 centimeters by 5.16 centimeters. Now our circle is fine. Now we will take it to the center. Shape outline, no outline. Shape fill, black, only black, guys, because it will be looking nice on the color. Guys, we can also take white color here in the images, because it will be also looking very nice. Now we will go to format, not yes, not on format. We will double click on it. Now we will go on insert symbol, and we will select webdings. Now we will select this one, then insert, then this one, insert, then we will close it simply. Now we will do the size a little bit big. Yes, guys, we have to do 44 the size. Now we can first set it in the middle. Yes, guys, now our everything is done. Now we will go on one, was just one thing, animation paint picture, then we will click on it. No, guys, first we will click on this circle. Home, we will go to home tab. We will go to selection pane, and this is our oval, so we will name it as, what can we name, play pause. Done. Now we will close it. Now we will go to animation pane. We will right click until next slide. We will click on triggers. Then we will on this. Then we will select our play and pause. Okay. Now we will select the other one. We will also do here effect option, timing, triggers, start, play and pause. Okay, guys, so it is all fine now. Now just we have to go to slideshow and click on it. Now we will think whose name should we take. One. It means that Eklavya has won the lucky draw. His chance will come. We can do it like this. It's very simple. 8. Aditya. So it is very fun to do, but it can play and pause from both the sides. But you do play from here and pause from here. Second, Rahul have win now. So this is only for today, and if you like the video, so please like the video, and if you are new to our channel, so please hit the subscribe button. Bye. I hope you will have a good day.